Hey guys, Serial Killer here. Special video this time. Went to Walmart. I was just looking for some cards, mainly Breakpoint for a OEX for TCG online and stuff. And I came across this beauty. A triple pack blister pack with Plasma Storm, Plasma Freeze, and I think it's Black and White Next Destinies. They only had 2 of these, so I snatched them up. I already opened up one of them, so yeah, it is Next Destinies. And I paid $12 a piece, which I thought was pretty cheap, which come to find out that online, like Walmart's website sells these for $25 a piece, and I got it in store for $12. Like, I really don't want to open these packs, but I've never opened these packs before. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to open all 6 of these packs. Like I said, I don't want to, but I'm going to. The freaking promos never want to come out of here. Nice little Driftbloom. It's not too bad of a card. And yeah, we can't even get these things out of here either. But a nice little Pikachu coin. I hate Pikachu, by the way. Absolutely hate him. But here they are. 2 Plasma Freeze, 2 Plasma Storm, and 2 Next Destinies. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open them in order one at a time, and then just hope for something good. I don't know the pack trick, but I'm gonna go 3 and 2 and see if that works. Oh my god. I feel like I shouldn't be doing this. Oh, that code's for me. So 3 and 2. You know what, really out of curiosity, I don't even know when these packs were made. 2013, it looks like. So these are roughly 4 years old. Let's see what we get. So far, not too bad. A Shadow Triad. Looks like I did the pack trick right. And the last card is a Beat Drill. That blows. But hey, not bad. I mean, the artwork is amazing. Alright, Cofferg. That's a nice little squirrel right there. Corliss, that's a good card, I do know that. Eviolite, sweet. Ooh, reverse hollow rare. And a Giratina. Not bad at all. Alright, next Destinies. Let's see what we get here. Got a Hip Hop Anonymous. Ooh, big Hip Hop Anonymous. A little Pampor Reverse Hollow and a Jellicent. Alright. So far, no Hollow Rares, but I don't really care. Bought these because I never opened these packs. I've seen them opened. I did it mainly for the codes, and then I was just like, screw it, let's open them. Maybe we can get something good out of at least one of these. Stupid little ice cream cone. Another little party deck here. That's a cool looking Jolteon right there. Reverse Hollow Rare Leafeon. And our first Hollow Rare Cofferegus. Sweet. That is pretty sweet right there. I will definitely sleeve that up later on. Alright. Alright, let's see what we get in this one. Stupid little Pat Rat. Monferno. Reverse Hollow Curvia and Burberry non-hollow. That's alright. Alright, comes down to the last one. Next Destinies. Let's see what happens. Growlithe. The one Pokemon I wish was real. Litwick. Another level ball. Another big Hip Hop Anonymous. It's funny, we got Jellicent in the last one. This one we get Frillish. And a Hollow Cinccino. That's pretty sweet. That is pretty sweet. Definitely awesome. Love the artwork. Love the way the cards feel. I mean, not bad for pricing, I guess, considering I think these are like $7 or $8 a pack online. And I got them for just under $4 a piece. But that's it, guys. Maybe next time if I find a little bit slightly rare booster packs for a good price, I'll end up posting it for you. Again, if you like the video, go ahead and click that like button. If you got any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll look into it. Serial Killer, no, I'm out.